Hello, my name is Andy Johnson. I'm at Bullyan RV in beautiful cloudy Duluth, Minnesota. Today I'd like to do a short video of our 2013 Forest River Columbus, and this is a model 365 RL. We'll walk around the outside, we'll show you the inside, then we'll see what you think. Nice big power awning, got outside speakers, frameless windows, ton of outside storage. It's got 3 20-pound propane tanks. Very attractive painted front cap, also very aerodynamic. It's got the extended hitch pin and 4 slides. It's got 6-point automatic leveling. You just hit auto level, it takes it from there. 50 amp service. Outside shower, all your hookups right there. There's your hot water heater. There's a set of jacks right in front of the suspension and one behind. 3 slides on this side, aluminum rims, nice rack on the back for bringing gear. There's your ladder, nice big living room slide. Then here's the steps, nice big grab handle, and again this is a 365 RL. Okay. Nice big kitchen, solid surface countertops, high-rise pull-out faucet, undermount stainless sink. You got your oven, cover over the cooktop here, and your microwave, and just lots of storage. And you got your freezer, your fridge, more countertops over here. Storage for coats by the door, your table and chairs. This lifts up on the table. Nice lighting. Ultra leather recliners right there. Spots for the pop, spot for the remote in the back. Then the ultra leather couch that goes into a bed. There's 2 air conditioners, one here and one in the bedroom. There's your ceiling fan with a light. Nice big TV set. And then there's your fireplace for help keeping you warm. If you have free power, you have free heat. All your controls are right by the door there. There's your central vacuum system right there. More spots for hanging coats. Then we've got our bathroom. Spot for a towel already on the door. More solid surface countertops. Nice big double medicine cabinet. Then we got the big shower with a seat for shaving those legs. I'll just hop in here. So I'm 5'9", plenty of room in here. Okay, as we work our way into the bedroom, we got the king size bed with storage underneath it. Nice big closet. And then it's already prepped for a washer dryer, and there's extra fridge freezer right here. And you got your second air conditioner right up top. Nice big TV set in the bedroom and more dresser space. We'll go down and get you one more shot of this living room. So if you're looking for a fifth wheel that looks nice on the outside and has 4 slides, with a beautiful living room. Again, my name is Andy Johnson. I'm at Bullyan RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. If you're interested in this 2013 Forest River Columbus 365 RL, just call or text me at 218-391-ANDY. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it was helpful, and as always, keep on traveling.